Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune. So today I'm with the Street X3, that is for the Duke 390 from Autolog Design. So I'm going to do a small walk around and let you know what all comes with it, what are the costs around, and how you can procure it. Now before we proceed, I'll request you to please subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time on my channel, and do hit the bell icon for all updates. It's too hot out here, so I'm going to do the video. I'm going to finish off the video really quickly. So basically, what is the Street X3 kit? So basically these are tank shrouds that you can see they have been installed here, they have been fitted here. So this is one part, and this is the second one. Okay, so this is the basic thing that comes in the Street X3 kit. Okay, so these are tank shrouds that you can fit at home. You can do the DIY. It's a bolt-on kit, so it enhances the look of your bike. You can see it is more sharper now, and it is closer to the bigger Duke now. So what all comes with the kit is just the two tank shrouds. At an option, you also get the tail cover. Now some call it the tail cover, but it is actually called a seat cowl, which is again a straight fit on the current seat. You don't have to do much. I mean, you just have to remove the seat and lock it up, and then you're done. Again, if you're riding solo, this enhances the bike looks a lot. So it's really easy to install the seat cowl. So take off your original seat, unlock it, and there is velcro given below the seat cowl. You just try the two velcros and your seat cowl will be in place. The fit and finish is really good. Of course, you don't use this for sitting on it, it's just for enhancing the looks. Now this bike belongs to 100 kmph, so a custom paint job has been done on the bike. If you are planning to paint it additionally, it's going to cost you some more. So what I'll do is I'll leave the cost of the tank shrouds, that is the main Street X3 kit, and paint job and the seat cowl in the video description. Do have a look at that, and you can get in touch with Autolog to purchase them. So, and to answer how does it fit, it's got multiple bolts. One is here, second is here, and the third one is out here. There's nothing out at the bottom, and no, it does not vibrate. I rode the bike on a pretty off-road. You can see this, the roads are not so smooth. Autolog is out there somewhere. I mean, the main unit where they prepare all the stuff. So no, the bike does not vibrate. I took it out on the highway too right now, and there too there was no vibes, no rattling sound, no jarring sound, nothing at all. So it's a snug fit, and it won't trouble you. The weight is under 5 kgs. I'll let you know that too. I'll put it in the description, the exact weight, how much does it weigh. And no, this mod is not that illegal. I'll leave again content that you can check in the on the various website, where it shows how it is legal and not illegal. So yeah, that's pretty much it from my side. I'll add some video clips and photographs of various parts after this after I end this clip. So do watch till the end, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Do share it ahead with your KTM friends who would prefer to buy it, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all updates from me. Thanks for watching.
chance cut inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.